And one to go. Nate, we have something you probably want. Come on up. Yep. Yeah, you. Okay. He's got to go do something first. Okay. He sees me. All right. So Tim Finstad's going to bring him around the black Ford F-150 truck on the inside, and Tim Finstad will set the space. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. It's Finstad and Rickelman off to the races. Nick Schneider went to make it 3 wide. He forgot he was in a short tracker, not a Bandit. Here comes the other Bandit driver, breakout Sean Bauer. Finstad off the pace. I don't know what happened there. Maybe a brake checked up or something, but he slowed down a lot. As it's Rickelman working to Finstad's outside, it's Schneider and Bauer. Those two battled it all last year in the Bandit division, and they're side-by-side racing for third. As Tim Finstad's hanging on with that Honda Prelude, here comes Rickelman. Sean Breakout Bauer trying to get away from Nick Schneider. Nick Schneider coming right back at him, though. Oh, Breakout Bauer pulls away that time. And he had the battle in the back between the Moose and Ronnie Robinson. Moose is ahead of him now. Bauer and Schneider side by side. Tim Finstad could be getting away. This is an 8-lap American Short Tracker Heat sponsored by Miller Lite. Let's see what happens. It's side by side, Schneider and Bauer. These two know each other very, very well. As they're coming into turn 3, Sean Breakout Bauer has just a little bit of advantage now over Nick Schneider. Bauer setting his sights on the number 50 of Sean Rickelman. As we've now got coming around this time, it's going to be 6 in, 2 to go for the Miller Lite American Short Trackers. Bauer looking to the inside of Rickelman. Will he do it? No. Schneider now putting the pressure back on Bauer. Schneider looking to try to get back that third spot. We got a great battle for third. White flags coming out for Tim Finstad, but the battle's for third. As it's been, oh, Tim Finstad, something's wrong with him. Sean Rickelman has just been handed a Christmas present. Oh, on the last lap, too. Oh, it's Bauer and Schneider making contact, but your winner's going to be Sean Rickelman, as Tim Finstad was leading that race in that Honda Prelude, and just something quit on the car. Well, we noticed earlier in the race that he looked like he either checked up real bad or something going into 3 in the early part of the race, and maybe something came back to haunt him. But that's a tough break for the 33 of Tim Finstad. But right now we have a beautiful number 50 car pulling it into victory lane. It's a very nice looking car here. I don't know if they're going to have the best looking car contest at Rockford, but that's definitely one for the running here. Very good looking car. Let's talk about this driver out of Woodford, Wisconsin, in an 87 Mustang. Sponsored by Snap Logistics, Windsor Pizza, Stites Construction, Real McCoy's Bar and Grill, Fluid Quip Technologies, Byron Auto Body, and Argyle Rod and Gun. Let's see if he's going to get out of the car. I think he is. He won his moment in being fame here, and a lot of fame. Let's see. I see his hands are moving. There he is. Rockford Speedway, make some noise. It's Sean Rickelman. All right.